We have got strong white flour, whole milk, yeast, sugar, olive oil, and salt. What are we making?
Focaccia! Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Enjoy the video! So we weighted 470 grams of strong flour, 16 grams of sugar, and now I'm gonna add 5 grams of dry yeast. Okay, I weighed 230 grams of water, and now I'm gonna add to the 115 grams of whole milk. And we put that aside.
Obviously, Sardinia is very famous for its own breads, pane carousel, etc. See, how commonly used is focaccia?
Commonly enough, because all those other breads you mentioned, they're not so easy to make at home with the oven. Yeah, so focaccia is a good compromise, and yeah, you can do both versions. Just play with some salt and rosemary at the top, or with a lot of tomato sauce, which is the most common version that you find. Okay, we're gonna start by putting our flour, sugar and yeast into the processor bowl. Okay, on the bowl number 4. Down with the pedal attachment. And now we slowly pour the mixture of water and milk in and let it absorb. Now while the dough goes, I'm gonna weigh 45 grams of olive oil. And it goes in very slowly as the water and the milk. Our dough has some sort of form, so we're gonna stop it and change the attachment. It's super sticky. I'm gonna need a spatula. You can need a spatula or something else to take it out because it's super doughy, like Play-Doh. How it goes, we're gonna go with a hook. Okay, then we're gonna push it down all the way so it mixes properly. A wet sound is what you want to hear. Now we're gonna add a heaped teaspoon of salt. There we go. So we're gonna get it going again for 15 minutes until it has some sort of shape. It's gonna be very, very wet, so don't worry. We prep corn with some just plain flour at the bottom, so it's not gonna stick.
Very sticky.
It is very sticky, that's why the flour. We're not gonna do too much, we just fold it like an envelope and put it to proof. Okay, off it goes. One fold on this side, another fold on the other side. Just 2 more folds. And then we flip it. Just try and give it a kind of a bowl shape as if it was like a pizza dough. Okay, so preparing our bowl for the proofing, we're gonna put some olive oil at the bottom so the dough is not gonna stick like it did to the other one. Not a huge amount, just enough to wet it. There you go. And you just gonna slop your dough in the center, move it a little bit so it's all wet. And another drizzle of olive oil at the top so it's not gonna stick to the cling film. Gentle massage. And now we're gonna cover it with cling film and put it in the oven with the light on for roughly 2 hours until it doubles in volume.
Okay, cling film on.
Wrapped tight enough. 2 hours on the clock.
And we wait. And why?
See?
Is it time to take it out?
It is the time. So the focaccia has been in for almost 2 hours. And look at that.
Wow!
So we're gonna prepare the tray where we're gonna put it in with a little bit of olive oil at the bottom.
It's massive.
I know. For the tray you wanna cover the bottom and the side with the oil so the focaccia is not gonna stick. Take the cling film off. And you see, it didn't stick!
Ah! Wow.
Okay, we're gonna pour it in. It's gonna slide out again because of the oil. And very, very gently, we're gonna try and stretch it to the corners of the tray. It's so warm.
This is where you get your hands down. It's looking really good already.
Yeah, it's looking quite stretchy. Just gonna wash my hands. We're gonna cover it with cling film, put it in the oven for an hour.
Hands washed. And
Yeah,
cling film.
cling film going on.
And now, over the next hour, what do you expect to happen?
So this is gonna proof again and it's gonna rise as high as the cling film.
Okay. And once we get to that stage,
It's almost cookie time.
almost cookie time.
Yeah, let's go in the oven. Again, just the light on to keep a little bit of warmth and there we go. See you in an hour.
Okay, an hour has passed.
Yes.
We're now, what, 3.5, 4 hours in?
Yeah, more or less 3.5. Let's go and have a look what happened.
Wowzers.
Yeah, that's what you want to see. You want to see the dough that's attaching the cling film. Okay, in the meantime, we're going to turn the oven on. We're going to come here and prep our focaccia. We're going to dress them again with olive oil and a little bit of salt as well this time. And we're going to make nice holes with our fingers.
Oh.
Okay, level testers come to have a look. Okay,
What are we doing now?
playing a weird piano. We're poking holes in the focaccia, getting it ready for the oven. Now, clean fingers, and off we go. Yeah, wash my hands and I'm gonna put some salt. Can I move this?
See? Ciao. What you saying?
Never seen it going so fast. Okay, we're ready to go in. The oven is hot, 180 static, and we go. For 35 minutes roughly, should be ready.
Hi.
See?
The oven is beat it's time.
Mince are ready. Let's have a look.
Wow. Oh my, that looks amazing.
It's ready.
What do you think?
It's beautiful. Can't wait to taste it.
And then we gotta let it cool.
See you.
Okay, so the bread is made, cut, and cooled. Do you want to try it?
Let's see.
See. Crunchy, fluffy, amazing.
What are you doing still here? I want to eat the focaccia. Come on, you go, do the things, do the legs, comment, and then eat.